Okay, so let us start with our today's session, that is getting started with Microsoft Learn and Microsoft Azure with Cloud Skill Challenge that all you have been here for. So now let us move for our today's host. That is me, Sagnik Datta. I am NoobCode founder and currently a Microsoft Learn student ambassador at an alpha level. I have also been the Hack to Skill student ambassador and a Ryzen advocate, and I share some little knowledge of what I have in front end, so a front end developer as well in React.js. And with me, my co-host, Swapnendu Banerjee. He is a NoobCode co-founder and PR lead. He is also a Microsoft Learn student ambassador at beta level, and he is the GDSC RCCIT social media and marketing manager, and he is a full stack developer. So let us now move towards our today's topic, that is Microsoft Learn, that platform where you all will be using to complete your challenges and everything. So what is Microsoft Learn? It is the place where you can actually compete, learn and develop skills as well as get beautiful certificates which you can showcase in your profiles in LinkedIn everywhere, wherever you want to. So here you can track and bench your progress against your local communities like what we will be doing here. Here, the biggest thing is that there will be an increase in your understanding because it is a self-paced learning where modules will be there and you will be learning by yourself. You don't have to refer to anything. Everything will be given over there. And with those development in your skills, you will become one who will be able to grab jobs because those are the things that you will need in your life. So now let us start with the getting started with Microsoft Learn. So what is Microsoft Learn? I'll show you by presenting it to the screen, but let me first go on with this. That Microsoft Learn is the single destination where you learn for free. This is the thing that's good about Microsoft Learn. Everything that you can do over here, earning certificates and everything is free over here. It's self-guided and it provides you with a hands-on learning with curated content in terms of text, YouTube videos, everything you will get from the official Microsoft persons. So here you can learn at your own schedules. You can become a Microsoft certified person and you can live as well as watch live and recorded events over here. If you just go and search in Google Microsoft Learn, you will get to see the page or else I'll be navigating it through at a later point of time. Also, you can go and check out through this one that is aka.ms/csc learn. From there also the same link will open. However, I'll navigate you through in the later part of the meet. So no worries about that. Now moving on to the next one. Over the Microsoft Learn, it is not only a single platform, it provides varieties of things. And the next one that it provides is the Microsoft Learn Students Hub. Now, what the Microsoft Learn Student Hub does is that it was created specifically with the demand, with the intention to help out students like us who are trying to achieve and make our skills a lot more better. It was mainly helped us to prepare with a career in tech. And it also helps you to get linked to various other students and developer resources that you will need starting from Microsoft Azure AI to as simple as things like this Python course that you will be doing. So it provides a complete thing. Even you can participate in hackathons from there as well, because Microsoft Learn and Microsoft runs a very good hackathon, a large scale hackathon that is the Microsoft Imagine Cup. So yes, this is the ultimate platform for you. Then how do you use actually Microsoft Learn? I'll show you everything, but let me go through this one. So if you can see over here in this, when you register for the Microsoft Learn, so what happens? You get to learn it very interactively. When you will be going through the challenge, you will see it hands-on. For now, here there are various learn paths, and in the learn paths, there are various modules. Like you will be doing one learn path in this week, But what is over there is in those there will be modules, and in modules there will be units which you have to cover to gain some experience points, which will be again used to get your badges as well over there. So after getting those badges, what happens is that it is not only you get those badges, but is that you get to showcase them on your profiles, on your CV, and those are actually very much valued if you put it in front of the recruiter. So over there, what happens in the learning paths, there are modules, and these modules also have in some Microsoft certifications, which are a little bit different from this one, but those certifications also provide a lot of help in your professional careers. You can over there, you can explore a topic in depth with the guided paths and learn a specific task with the individual modules and the units that you will be there. Also, there are some tests at the end of each modules that will test your knowledge over that particular module, and you will be too easy. It will be easy for you to navigate and to check yourself that whether you are entirely prepared for the thing or not. So it provides a kind of test as well. Now let me move on to the next one. That is sharing your learning success that I have been always speaking through from here for now. That is when you get complete those units in a module, you get individual badges for the module. Each individual badge for the module you get, you will earn a certificate for each one, which one will be verified by the Microsoft platform. It's not like that you can just take anyone's certificate and put in your name. You cannot do that because that link will not verify yours one. So when you get that certificate, you get a link as well, which when you put in your CV or any place, it provides you with a verification which directly redirects to the Microsoft Learn platform. And thus you can verify from there that yes, you have done the certification and on which particular date. So it shows everything. Obviously, you can share it to Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or any handles that you use. There is no issues with that. And definitely on LinkedIn because it's the main place, and that's why we have been focusing on LinkedIn previously as well, because that's the place which will help you to connect with your fellow developers and help you in all recruitment and other purposes. Whatever we are doing today is definitely got a share. LinkedIn has got a huge share in this because it helps us to make those connections. So when you share those models, individual badges, and one thing to mention specially, probably I'll show you as well. That is each module or each one which you do actually. So Swapnendu, am I audible? Swapnendu?
Yes, yes, you are audible,
Okay,
perfectly audible.
okay. So each module that you do, you get a certificate, and that certificate is issued by Microsoft Learn, as well as that certificate is signed by the CEO of Microsoft, that is Satyanarayana Nadella. So yes, you have got some credibilities with those certificates. So definitely sharing them will boost your profile a lot. So moving to the next one. Over there in the Microsoft Learn, you will get your own profile, and we will provide you with a form link as well where we will need your profiles. So, so over there, your profile keeps tracks of all your activities, your trainings, your challenges, all your achievements, the trophies you have won, the challenges you have completed, like this one, this challenge you will complete, and you will get those challenge trophy over there. Also, you will get all those module batches, everything you will get over in your in your profile. And whenever you share your profile anywhere, everyone publicly available will be able to see your profile. So this is the best thing over there because you don't on not only you get, and as well as the thing is, if you have to download any certificate at any time, you just go visit your profile and you are able to download everything from there. Also, there will be email notifications which you can add to receive those notice about the cloud challenge skills when it starts, when it is near about the end, when it is ending. You can also additionally link your work or school accounts, and see all your learning progress in one location. You don't need multiple locations because Microsoft, when you will open it, you will see that there are various things in Microsoft. So you can add everything over there and you can manage everything from one place only. So now let me move to the next one. That is, what is a cloud skill challenge? So you have been saying over there that yes, you have been here for the cloud skill challenge. So cloud skill challenge is a skill parties that actually skill participants on various Microsoft and other related technologies via a gamified experience utilizing this Microsoft Learn content. Because the Microsoft Learn content has been curated and is very much apt to today's technological needs. And when you will do this for free and it will be fun, it will be interactive. I don't think you will dislike it because it's not the conventional quiz or the thing that you are used to do, but it's something that is a little bit different. It gives you some challenges, it gives you the text materials, you get to read, you get to do the things, you get to do things, everything hands on. And hence, when you come and along with that, it rewarded you with the badges, with the certificates that you can utilize everywhere. So over there, you will see various learn paths, collections, and many more things that now I'll take you through. So no worries. So now let me stop sharing this one and let me share you the actual thing. Let me show you one. Just give me some moment. I am showing it. Okay, Swapnendu, is my screen visible?
Yes, your screen is visible.
Okay, my
Right.
screen is visible. I'm
Okay,
opening the
just kindly.
incognito.
Yes, I'd
Okay.
just like to pitch in here a bit that you guys please ready with your system. Okay, if you don't have laptop with yourself, just obviously you're using a phone to join this meet. So please be ready because you will be given a form and you need to fill up that because we will be requiring that response for the further procedures that we'll be taking you through. Okay, so just be ready with the thing. Shagnik, will you give the form link right now? I think it will be better, or you'll be taking them through the platform, then you will be giving.
Okay,
Anything you
let
want.
me give the take them through the platform, then you put the form link in somewhere in the middle. Okay, so if you search over here for just Microsoft Learn, so you get this one. I think I am visible. Probably you keep your mic on, that would be better for me to navigate as well.
Okay.
Okay, so if you have been searching this Microsoft Learn, you will get in over there. That's what I was telling you previously, that when you enter the platform, you get to see all these things. So, okay, this was the thing that I was speaking you about. So here you get this training thing. Let me just first maneuver you, then I'll show you the sign in and everything. So we're here when you come to this training one. So you can learn at your own schedule. You can find your career path, and that is the student hub that we have been speaking of previously. Let me take you to the student hub. So student hub here for the Microsoft students who are here over here. You can claim your Azure benefits that we'll speak about later. You can join the Imagine Club that I was saying previously about the hackathon. It's a very big hackathon, which is USD $1 lakh and provide a mentorship session and everything. It's a huge thing. Cloud skill challenge is there, which we will be doing, and many more things that happens in the Microsoft Student Hub. So if you see over there, you can get to see a lot of things. Now let us come to the thing that we will be doing. That is the training one. So over here, there are various popular learning paths and modules like this learning path of Microsoft Azure Fundamentals with Cloud Computing. It's a 52 minutes path And let me take you in one path like this one. This is a module. Okay. So if I take you in this one, or maybe let me take you in this one only. Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, Describe Cloud Paths. So over here, you see what happens is that this learning path consists of three modules. So in these three modules, what you get, this is this Describe Cloud Computing. This module has got many more units in it, like there are 8 units over here. And then you got this module, which consists of 7 units. And then you got this module, which consists of 6 units. Like this, in every learning path, there are various units that you need to complete in order to complete a learning path. Each module you complete, like this one, if you complete this module, you will get a certificate. When you complete all these three modules, you will additionally get a certificate for this one as well. And what happens is that there are some exams from Microsoft, like this one, exam AZ900 Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, which you can say as a Microsoft certified Azure fundamental expert. In that, what happens is that when you complete these learn paths, you become eligible for these exams as well. And it helps you to clear these exams. These module paths are all for free. These learning paths are all for free. You can do anyone. So there is no issue with that. So let me now first sign in. Let me show you the sign in process. See, you have to do the, after coming here, you have to do the sign in from here. So for this, you need to have your own Microsoft account, which I presently don't have. So let me create one. I think most of you won't have. If you have, it's very good. If you don't have, you can just create your account. Like, let me put one mail for it. Okay, guys, those who are there, you just follow this thing because you will be need to do this thing. And we will need your Microsoft Learn IDs as well. So you need to do this step, otherwise you won't be able to do the challenge. Okay, so I now need to create a
So
password.
actually, we'll be circulating a form, and there you will be requiring to give the profile link, and we'll be tracking that everyone present in this group is filling up that form or not. Okay, so make sure that you create the account and make your profile ready before going further. Shall we continue?
Okay, I created a password. Let me put on a backup here. Okay, then I go to next. Now it will tell me to enter the code, which I will check from my email and I'll enter. Wait a second, let me let the code come. Yes, the verification mail has come. Now I need to enter the code. Okay, I want to get the information. So it's now creating the account over here. Okay. Yeah, it proves that, okay, I am a human, I am not a robot. So you guys also know that, okay, I am a human. Nice one. Okay, now my verification got complete. So it will mean it will now take me. Okay, it took me over here. So here I am now signed in as for shagnikforwork@gmail.com. So over there when it happens, I just put in next. Okay, I need to create a display name, which I'll do as Sagnik Datta. That will be shown. Okay, I need to select a country or region. Okay, now it's India. Okay, after this, there are that select roles you are interested in. I'm not doing it, just not sure it. I'm a beginner level. I'm choosing the beginner. Then the products. I'm not choosing anyone. You can just choose it later. No issues. You can do that. Okay, so I'm all set. Now let me go and view my profile first. Okay, so here is my profile. Now, if I come over here, you can see that, see, this is the username and URL. So when this is my URL that I can provide to anyone, that we will be providing in the form, and what you have to do, I'm showing you next. We will need this profile. This you can change definitely, but you don't need to manipulate it now. No need, not, this is not at all needed. See over here, you can see that I am signing for this one, and my notifications all will go to my this Gmail. So what you do, you just come over here in the profile. Okay. So no, you just get in the settings, and then this one you copy. Okay. This thing you copy, and when we will provide the form, if Swapnendu has provided by now, or he will provide. So we will need this URL to check that what is your progress. So you need to copy this one and then this one and put the profile in the form, because we will be needing this, and accordingly we will issue everything. So over here you can see I don't have any badges or any trophies. If you go to my profile, it's currently empty. There is no training, nothing has been done. So now let me just go to the learn one, and let me just do a small module that will help you understand that how the things work. So I'm going to training, and I'll just do this browse learning path. You don't have to produce anything, because we will be providing you the link and you need to do that particular link. For now, I'm showing, because when you will be using this platform by yourself, this is how you'll be navigating and doing everything. So over here, there you can see there are so many modules in so many things. Now, let me show you something with Azure. That would be good one. So this is a module that is a fundamental AI concepts. I'm not fully going through. Let me
Sagnik,
start it. Okay.
Sagnik, can they get a bit of introduction to what is Azure and how it helps?
Yeah,
I know
sure,
it's a
sure,
bit
sure.
of topic, but hopefully it will help them for the future.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. So if I have to say you about Azure, Azure is the service by Microsoft. Actually, Azure consists of various services. Let me show you one example you will easily understand. Because mostly what you see with Azure is AI and storage, but not Microsoft Azure is not only that one thing. Azure is a plethora of services. It's a cloud computing platform, specifically, if I say you, by Microsoft. Mainly, what we use about Azure is that we use the Azure AI one as a student developer. What we use is this, we use the Azure AI and the Azure cloud storage, and usually the deployment purposes we use it. But Azure contains various things like the communication services, data management like the Cosmos DB, which is a NoSQL database which many persons use who uses Azure. There is Azure Data Lake as well, which is used for data analytics. Power BI is there. It also comes under Microsoft and Azure as well. So Azure consists a lot of things, a plethora of things, because it's a platform. It's an IaaS platform, that is, it provides infrastructure as a services mainly. Here you can see it says that software platform as a service and infrastructure. But mainly, if you say, it acts as a PaaS. Most people use it as a PaaS. What PaaS does is that it provides you the flexibility of having those things that you need in the cloud and those things that you do not with your system. Like I'm running the Microsoft Team, it's a PaaS platform, you can say. Some things are there that I am storing in my place. Like this PPT I was showing, it was stored in my place, but I was not completely hosting. But the screen recording and everything, that is the part of the PaaS. So it works like this. So Azure main concept that we will be seeing over here is the Azure AI that we use. So this is how when you will get even those Python modules, you will get to see like this modules, and you need to click on start them. So this is how you start. So what I'm doing over here, I am not going through over these things because it will take time. But see, there are videos that will be playing over here. I don't know if sound is going, but okay. So these videos will be there. Then there will be text as well for you to understand that what was those things. Then you click on the next and you get to the next module. So this is how it happens. So now let me go just continue and go to next and do next. I'm not reading anything because this is the module that I have done quite a few times over here in Microsoft. So you need to read all those things because it actually provides you very sufficient knowledge of these things. And it's a must needed because that's how you gain those knowledge. Because this content is a very good content because this has been curated by Microsoft. It really provides you with a lot of things. So it's very good one. Okay, then comes this part in most modules you will get to see is a knowledge check or a lab that you need to do. So over here in knowledge checks, there are some things like there will be some questions definitely. So over here, if I see you want to create a model, so I'll use Azure Machine Learning. You want to provide an concept to safety buzz, I'll use Azure AI Vision. Predictor AI provides audio output for A, so it will cause inclusiveness. And then here you have to do check your answers. And okay, so all my answers are correct and I can move forward. So, and then this is the summary of the entire thing. And then this is what you have been waiting for, that is unlocking the achievements. So here you unlock this badge. You can share over here in LinkedIn, email, Twitter, Facebook, or just you can copy the link and do. So over here it gives me this is the next module in the learning path. You don't need to check all those things over here now. So how will you get this badge? This once the page has come. Now how will you get this one actually? So you get this one from the profile. You just go to the profile and let my profile load. Over here, you see, I earned a badge. I have got to do a module. Okay. Now, how will you take these badges or something? So you go to achievements. I have done a module, so it is being shown over module. Had I completed a learn path, it would have been shown here. So in a module, see there's a print option. You just click on this print. Here comes your certificate. If you are able to see, it has been showing that I have completed the Fundamentals AI concept on December 10, signed by Satyanarayana Nadella. When you will print this one, you will get this certificate printed. And now about the link that I was saying. So here you can see this share button. When you share, you can just copy your link. So URL is copied. Now let me open another tab. Paste this. So when you share this link with anyone, that person having an account or not having an account still can see that yes, Sagnik Datta has completed this module and this is the module. So it provides you both a certificate as well as a module. So you get both these benefits from this platform. So open your accounts in Microsoft like this because the Cloud Kill challenge that you will be doing, you need this account for doing this. And once we provide you with a link of the Cloud Skill challenge, you will be able to see whenever you click the challenge, you will be able to see the thing. So no worries regarding that. So this is the over and out of the overall things that I have to show you about the Microsoft Learn platform. Now I would say Swapnendu to take this up and tell you more about the Python Cloud Skills Challenge.
Yeah, Sagnik, can you please present the PPT?
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah, sure, 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 sure. Wait a minute. Okay,
There is some issue,
please.
I guess. There is some issue.
Okay, wait a minute. Let it load. Let it load.
Okay, guys, as stated, please start filling up the form, okay? Because we will be needing that data, okay? Um, Let me see. Till now, I received five responses, okay? With these five responses, it won't do. I need everyone. Okay. What's the issue here? Uh,
Okay, Swapnendu, are you able to see the screen?
yes, getting started Python cloud skills challenges. I'm okay, by IDs, the ID it means username at the end of the URL, right? Yes, 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 right. Please do it fast because we need this. Without this data, we can't move ahead. So this is the most important part. Okay? So please do it fast.
And the Python Cloud Skill Challenge link will provide you, it will start from tonight.
Tomorrow,
Uh,
tonight, yes, tonight,
no,
12. Yes,
yes,
tonight, 12.
tonight 12 it starts. So before 5 minutes, we'll provide you the link. You can do it as fast as you want it to. It's nothing that you have to do it each day. We give you 10 days for completion owing to the schedule that you will have because it may not be that you are able to sit every day. But okay, definitely there are things for that Swapnendu will tell. So if you do it as fast as you can, you get those things and they're really fun.
Sagnik, please. So,
You- Okay, that's okay. You go to the profile because if I show this sharing will stop. That's the thing. You just go to the profile over there. In the profile, there will be settings. There will be two options, settings and profile. From there, you can get this one. Actually,
okay, 26. The rest of you, please fill up this form because we need this data. And we know that after leaving the meet, you guys won't. So please do this. I can assure you this thing at least that after doing this cloud skills challenge, you will get to know about Python. Okay. And no, means besides knowing the Python, learning the Python, you will be enjoying the hands-on exercises. Those are given. Okay, it's not only theory based, but there are various exercises, and those exercises are not very tough. Okay, and after completing this thing, you will get some swags from us, and we are assuring. And for that, means for if you guys can allow us to provide the swags, you need all to cooperate with us. Okay, so we need that response from you guys also because without that we can't bring the swags for you guys. So for that we need a bit of cooperation. So just fill up this form. Okay, and those who are not, I mean those who are not in the meet, please tell them also, and you guys can help out each other that how to complete the module, or we can arrange some meet another day, tomorrow evening or day after tomorrow evening as per their convenience, and do the things again for them because we want that each and every one of you do this one. Okay, so please do this. It's my request. Okay, what is Microsoft ID? What's the question? Microsoft Learn ID, not Microsoft ID. It's Microsoft Learn ID. will get it there in the Microsoft profile. Shagnik, please can you brief them so that they can get it?
Actually, when you sign in over there at the top right corner, you see that there will be the initials of your name in a circle in some color. So when you click that one, you get settings. You just go to the settings, and the first thing that you see over there in the settings is that the personal info, username, and URL. Over there, you get to see that there is a first of all, it's https learn.microsoft.com, and then at the end, there is an ID. So this ID you need to provide. This is the ID. Yes, the last part of the user profile link you provide because the first part is same for everyone. So that we will fix up. We need the last part. Okay. Okay. Okay, Swapnendu, let me take over and show this one. Wait.
Yes, definitely, definitely. Please show it again. I know they will need some help.
Okay. Let me stop sharing and let me share this one screen. Okay, I think now I'm visible. So see over here when you open this one, how will I tell you? Yes, so see if you are just in this page, suppose I am taking, suppose that you have been in this page and you have signed in. Okay, after signing in, I am telling that you are in this page and you have signed in. Then you come over here. Here you get to see your profile and settings, everything. You go to the settings. And here you get to see your profile ID. See, this part is common, right? So from there, I can definitely see anyone's by putting this. So I'm not asking you to copy this and paste. You just give me this one. We'll be able to see the things. This part we will put in by ourselves. You just give me this one. You need to just copy this one. Just copy this CTRL-A, CTRL-C, and then you do CTRL-V. From there only you will get the thing. See over there also you can see this one in the bar, not with the settings obviously, but over there also you can see. See, I put the ID like this one. I got to see your this one. So this is the thing that we are asking. If you are getting to see this over here, sometime it shows slash me. That's why I had not shown you this one. Because if there is slash me only without this part, we won't be able to see. If this part is available, you put this one also, it works. It's the same. You get to see this in settings. We need this part.
Yes, guys, please fill the form now. Okay, Shagnik is keeping this screen open. Okay, if you face any problem, he will show it again. So there is no issue in that. Uh, just check it out and keep on filling the form. It's
Like
59
see now,
responses.
yes, now see it's like slash me. So if you provide me this link, I won't be able to track. That's why I have not showed you this one first because it does whenever we log in, it shows that it's slash me. So with this URL, I cannot track it. So that's why I told you that if you do it from here, we'll get to see those things. That is the thing. Because this is the main part that is needed. After that, you will be able to do it by yourself. Over here and then settings. First of all, sign in, then after sign in only you will get sign in, then to settings, you will get okay. Let me get back here.
Shagnik, Shayok is telling that can you show us how to earn badges that you do it earlier? Okay, Shayok, when you will be doing the Python Cloud Skills Challenge, right? You will be saying, okay, Shagnik, please show it once that from where they can track their batches and trophies. Please show
Okay,
the
track their
interface.
badges and properties. See, these two are the most important settings for you. First is the profile one, and then is the settings one. From settings, you get to see your URL, your email, which is linked over here, and your email, which will be used for notifications. Don't change it, because if you change it, sometime it becomes a glitch. So whatever you sign in, just keep it as your notification email. And this is the profile URL that we have been asking. From the settings, you get this one. And when you go to your profile, there will be lot of tabs. You can just individually maneuver through and you will get to see. But most important over here is the achievement tab. When you go to the achievement tab, the path you completed or the module, like this is the module, one module I completed. So here is the batch of the module. If I have completed the path, I would have been the path achievement over here. I have completed the module. So is the module achievement that I have. From here you can also, you can even go through the same codes over here. If you go, you will see that it's all completed. I have got 1100 XP for completing this one, and I have completed all those things. So you can also do it over here. So you can check it as well from there. So no issues. You can easily do. And if you have to do your training by yourself, you just put training over here. And there are some things like, see, this is the Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals AI Overview Learning Path. So if I click on this one now, here I see that there are three modules to be completed. Now among them I have completed one, and there are 2 hour 30 minutes remaining. And this path helped me to do the exam AI 900 Azure AI Fundamentals certification. Certification is a different thing. So in this, I have these three modules. The Python one that you will be getting, you will have a similar thing. It will be written Python challenge. It will show you a timer as well. And there will be these modules. It will consist of modules. Like this one has three. There will be, I guess, 13 modules over there that you need to compute. So like this one, just you need to click start with any module. You click the start one and you start with each module. You have the place to switch units from there as well. So you just read those things and then you click continue. You go to the next module. This is how you do the things. So, and then after completion, you get the badges. And again, this is the most important place to go. You go to the profile, you get the badges and everything. Like, see, now I go to the went to the profile. Now the ID is showing, but not every time. So here it is showing me that I am doing this one. It showed me that I am doing this one, but haven't said I have completed. So you go to the achievements and you get to see the modules you completed and the learning path. I hope by now most of you have understood. If not, just put a text in the WhatsApp group, will help you out. I guess most of you will probably understand by now. And this is the
There's
URL that you are
there's
asking.
69 responses till now. Not an impressive number. Please.
Okay, Shobnendu,
Uh,
you continue one. Let me just stop this one and put the PPT. You continue.
okay, okay. Okay, please do it. Please do it. Please
Yes,
do it.
so
Okay, guys. There are lots of responses in the registration form of Python Cloud Skills Challenge, but I hope there are like 60 to 65% turn up in the group, and almost 100%, not almost 100%, it's like 85% those are present in this group. So I'll be expecting that those are present in this group, all of them complete the total Cloud Skills Challenge. Else, we can't provide the swags and goodies. Again and again, I'm repeating because it's not in our hand. Okay, it's all about the participation, and I'm not just want to conduct this just for swags and goodies, but I want you guys to learn something. So I have chosen a very simple learning module for you guys. Okay, so yep, I'll be just introducing with that. Wait, wait. I'm taking you to the sync with Shagnik. Okay. Now, Python Cloud Skills Challenge. So yes, let me check once how many responses. 70. Please do fill this form. Okay. I'll be just continuing and just giving you the overview of the things. Okay, wait. So yes, this is the Python Cloud Skills Challenge. When you will be getting the link from me, okay, when you will be getting the link from me, you will be just seeing, okay, the screen is visible, right? Hopefully, okay, they're not getting what it is exactly. What is not? Okay, we are entertaining the messages after. Let me finish it at first. Okay. Okay, so the Python Cloud Skills Challenge, your screen will be present. Okay. I'll be sharing this link after this meet ends. Okay. The mail IDs that you are sharing in the form that have been circulated in the meet, I'll be taking the mail IDs from their Shagnik. Wait, wait, wait. There is somebody waiting in the lobby. Okay. Done. So, Devanjali is
I'm there. I'm checking. You
joining
just
again.
continue.
Okay,
You
okay,
continue. I'm
okay.
doing it.
So, so this will be the interface where you will be seeing the challenge. Please join the challenge with using the link that I'll be mailing you tonight after the meet ends. Okay. So there are challenge details. As mentioned that the challenge start date is 11/12/23. You will be getting 10 days. Okay, not 10 days. Actually, it's nine, means yes, 10 days only. You'll be getting 10 days to complete this cloud skills challenge. It's very easy. Okay, just I'll be suggesting that just go through the modules, go through the learning paths, and try to learn Python because this language is very much versatile language and will be requiring it everywhere. Like if you want to pursue machine learning, you can do. You need to make a backend of a particular website. You can using this. You can use this language. And the guys, those are present in second year. The second year guys also be needing this particular language for their examination, which will be like 1 to 2 months later. Okay. And for the first year guys, please learn this language because in the next year, means in your next year, second year, you will be having the third semester first of all, and secondly, this language you will be means you'll be needing to pursue various diversified fields of tech domains. Like if you want machine learning, again and again I'm repeating, because in this particular cloud skills challenge, at the end you will be introduced to Jupyter notebook. Okay, so that's why I'm again saying yes. EC students to do what EC students to do? EC students too. Okay. No, for the EC, I don't think that Python is there for in their academics. But at the end of the day, you have DSA in your in your curriculum also, and you will be requiring this particular thing for your advancement. Okay, so I'll be suggesting that please pursue this. Okay, please do this. After completing this challenge, you will be coming and writing in the group that yes, you have learned something. Okay, so don't try to copy, but try to learn and complete the total challenge. It will take like hardly 5 days. Okay, if you spend 1 hour each day, you will be completing because this total allocated time for this total learning path is like 5.5 years, 5.5 hours. So yes, you can do. So next thing is that this will be the thing that you are now registered the challenge, and soon these notifications will be there. Okay, you will be getting through your mail. So mails are very much required for this challenge. We will be needing your mail. So that's why I'm again and again repeating that please do fill up the form without any delay. So please do fill up. Okay. Again, during the challenge, these are the things that you will be seeing. As soon as you get the challenge link, these things will be clear to you guys. So if you see, means you don't have, you didn't fill up the form till now, please do. I'm repeating it again and again because these things are very much needed. Okay, because without your mail ID, your Microsoft LAN ID, we can't do anything. So for that, we need your participation. And yes, one thing I am mentioning right now, that is in our cloud skills challenge, we have 13 modules. For this particular learning path, we have 13 modules forming. Okay, Shagnik, paste the form link once more. Okay, so there are 13 modules. So to get the swags from us, you need to complete at least 10 modules. I am repeating again and again, 10 to better you complete. There are 13 modules. Better you complete 11 modules. And without 11 modules, you won't get. I am suggesting again and again, please do complete at least 10 modules. And if you complete 13 modules, obviously we'll get the swags. Without completing 10 swags, we can't give you anything. Again and again, I am
And
saying.
one thing I would like to interrupt and tell that if you complete the entire module, you then only you get the learn path trophy. If you just complete 10, like Swapnendu was saying, you won't get the learn path trophy that you will be getting if you complete all the 13 ones. So definitely complete the 13 modules, not only for the swags, but the trophy, because trophy means that main certificate that you will be having, because the main certificate will value you the more. So you need to have that main certificate, and for that you need to complete all those 13 modules, not only 10. Okay, Shobnendu, you can continue.
Yes, so as Shagnik mentioned, please do means try to complete the full module, a full learning path for your trophy, because these things will add up value to your CV at the end of the day. So yes, do complete. Okay, I'll be just moving to the next slide. Continue your means learn journey. Okay, uh, you can as Shagnik said that don't stop here only. Okay, if you guys do means if you guys end up with a good satisfaction, then for you guys we'll be arranging such cloud skills challenge again and again. Okay, so just you need to be with us. Okay, you need to be with us, and we will be creating these things for you, and we will be picking up those things that can help in your curriculum as well as your professional career. So this learning path I and Shagnik found out from Microsoft Learn and made for you guys, because it was not listed, but we have made for you guys. So yes, just complete this, and in the coming in the very near future, we are going to have means more such cloud skills challenges for you guys, and I can give you this assurance that if you guys participate actively, the swags that you are getting today will increase tomorrow. Okay, that assurance we can give you. So we won't give some swags without promoting that learning thing. We won't say that just do copy and paste, but we will be promoting that yes, learn and do the things and earn swags. So learn and earn. This is the motto of NoobCode. Okay, that learn and earn. Without learning, nothing can be earned so easily. So yes, for earning something, you need to learn the things very carefully and very efficiently. So try to do the things very carefully and try to learn the things and just utilize this particular cloud skill challenge to the fullest to make a good basic in Python. And I'll be also doing it with you guys so that I can have some revision on the particular language and the basics of this language. Okay. So yes, hopefully I'll be getting update means I'll be taking the updates from you guys in the group. Hopefully, you guys will be cooperating with me, because if you don't complete, your friend won't get the swags. And hopefully, I means I know that each one of you love swags, love to get some swags. Okay, so please do it. Okay, again and again, I'm repeating, please do it. I can give the assurance that you will be loving it, because you will be learning something at the end of the day. Okay, for the first years, when you will be going to the third semester, you will be just doing the programmings, like in seconds, you'll be completing the Python programs, because the syntax of Python is very short. So you can do that thing. So just keep on doing, and any problem, okay, just reach out to me, Shagnik or Somuraj. We three are present always. We can help you out, guys, to complete this total cloud skills challenge. Okay. So yes, we are at the verge of ending this session. Stay engaged with Microsoft, because yes, Shagnik, you would like to end this meet. Please do it with a
Yeah.
ending note.
So thanks to Shobnendu for explaining nicely so much. So now what I'd like to say is that over there you'll see various LAN paths you can definitely complete by yourself. But when you do it with the MLSA. So what happens is that you get to earn an extra certificate, you get some swags, that's the special thing that you get. But if you are venturing out yourself, like we started by ourselves, so you just stay connected with Microsoft and you see there are various programs over there, like the hackathon I spoke about. There are the MLSA as well. You can fill up the form. There is the Imagine Cup competition. There is the student developer blogs that they write, and they gives us a lot of information. And most importantly, the Microsoft Learn platform, which we will be using. And actually, you will get to learn a lot of things. Especially, just venture out in Azure. You can definitely learn a lot of things over there. So finally, I'd like to conclude this session. I'd like to conclude this session. Thank you everyone for joining us. And yes, I'd like to see some shout outs in the group. Tell about your problems, whatever you are having. So over there, we'll fix that out. And yes, fill up the form over here. Keep this form with you. Fill this up. We'll be needing you guys because you will be all those who will be doing. And yes, learn and learn. As he said, the thing that we can say. Nothing, just a bit of motivation for all the things that you have been doing. So thank you everyone for joining. Fill up the form from there. And yes, then you guys
And
can leave. Okay.
one thing I can say I would like to say one more thing, that is uh, the rest of you guys, those who want to continue this Python Cloud Skills Challenge, means those who have not joined this meet, means you can ask your friends to just contact me, Shagnik or Shomuraj, and they can reach out personally with us, and so that if needed, we can arrange one more meet, okay, and we can explain them how to do the things. So just ask your friends, okay. I would like to ask someone of you to take the lead. Like from the first year, there is Rishi. Okay, I'd like to say him. Okay, I'd like to request him that he is a very dynamic guy over here. So Rishi, please ask your friends, those who have not joined the meet, to contact us or contact you. You can also convey the same thing to us. Okay, so just ask them and we can arrange one more meet. Okay. And from the second year, guys, most of them have joined, I guess. I don't think anyone is left, but most of the first years have not joined. Means not most, everyone have joined, but there are some, those who didn't join. So please, Rishi, take the lead and do this thing for us. Okay. Yes, Shakni. Again, over to you.
And definitely you guys can write you in the group. Okay, so Devanjan is asking that I'm a first year student at TIU and should I start learning Python side by with C or do C first and then move to Python? So okay, Devanjan, I would like to say you one thing. Any language you go, whether it be Python or it's C, most of the features starting from loops to the data structure it has are same. It's similar kind of. Just you write it different. Like I am speaking in English now. আমি যদি এখন বাংলায় কথা বলি আমি কিন্তু একই জিনিস বলছি তোকে बट मैं तुमको बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे बोलना है मेरा मतलब तो तुम समझ रहे हो ना तो so the thing is this whatever you write it's the same in whatever language you do you started with C or you start with C is very good but the thing is every language has some got specific use cases like Python, mostly used for machine learning and data and AIML stuffs. So if you start doing Python, it is nothing that you cannot do C with that. If you are starting with C, no issues, but definitely you cannot stuck in C. Why? Because after learning C, you need to have C++, you need to know Python, both things are something that you need to know. If you leave Java out, it's okay, but at least you need to know C++ and Python because Python is something that is asked in various places and C++ is the other language which usually either works or Java works. If you say you know Java, it's cool. If you say you know C++, it's cool. But for Python, it's something next year itself, you will see all your friends will start making AIML projects and you will be the one who will be wanting, say, okay, let me make. So this Cloud Skill Challenge acts as a stepping stone because mostly it's the first sem for everyone. It is going to end soon. You will be in the second sem. Rapidly, everything will be going over, and you will be just like us in the second year, thinking how fast the time went. And that time it will help you out actually. in whichever branch you are, whatever you do, even if you are from ECE student, if you are trying to maybe use Arduino with that, you have to use a language over there. If you learn the skills from here, you understand a language from here, you can just replicate it in any other language that you do, even if it's Scala or it's Dart. Doesn't matter which language you are doing. It's all the same. All the basic structures are same. Just how you write it is different. So no issues with that. So you can do side by side as well. Or if you are thinking, let me, it is becoming hectic, you start with C, you start with Python, you catch anyone and then you move. So no issues with that. I hope I am clear. So, okay, guys, thanks a lot for joining. We will like to end the meet here. Swapnendu, any more thing to add? Swapnendu, you there?
I don't think, yes, I'm there. I don't think there's nothing more. I'll be mailing you the challenge link tonight only after this meet ends. Yes, recording of the meet will be shared with you very soon. I will be sharing you with our SharePoint link. There you can see everything. And we will be, I'm repeating, we will be sending you the challenge link. If you face any problem, any problem while doing the challenge, just you can write in the group. It's better to write in the group because according to our availability, me, Shomaraj or Shagnik, we can revert back you respectively. So it's better you write in the group. Okay, your friend also can help you. Okay, so yes,
Everyone over there, the thing is, the what happens in the group is that when you DM us, maybe we are not available sometimes. You write in the group,
yes,
anyone who sees the messages will write you instantly because they have done it. Or if they are also stuck, we get to know, okay, this many people are stuck over there. Accordingly, we can arrange a small meet
there's
and
some
just
meeting
show
also.
you guys.
Yes.
So you write in the group, that would be the best thing. Anyone who will be available will help you out.
And there are some queries that what will be the amount of the Amazon gift card. We don't want to disclose that thing. Okay. When you will be getting to know. Okay. So yes, uh, don't worry. It won't be means it will be something exciting because many of you have already got the Amazon gift card from us for the Web Dev Carnival, right? Anyone would like to say anything about that? Hopefully not in this at least. Okay, so just keep on doing this one. uh, we'll be having a great cloud skills challenge out there, and let's learn and let's earn. So yes, Shagnik, the same. I won't interrupt you anymore.
Okay. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining. So, yes. You can guys, okay, you have got the form link in the group. Shomoda just sent the form link in the group. So yes, you can leave this meet. You try by yourself. You ask your friends how to get the student ambassador ID. I think some of them has definitely done. So they will help you out. Thank you for joining. Thank you for giving us the time. It was lovely meeting you, everyone. Thanks a lot.